Hello and welcome to Coastal Crafts. So I'm here with some dies that I've been sent by DIYArtbin store. So it's one of those AliExpress stores. Yeah, I think you can search for DIYArtbin, but I'll put the links to the items that I'm showing. They sent them to me for free just to have a play with. I've had a go personally. They're not actually my kind of thing, to be honest. I've had a go at making most of them, and I'll show you what I've made. They might be your kind of thing, but they were not really for me. I've got glitter absolutely everywhere from a school project. It's really annoying. But I will show you anyway. Yeah, and as I say, if you are interested, go and check out the links. They are very cheap. They're like a couple of pounds each for the whole die set. So price-wise, very good. But yeah. That's it really. So first of all, there's this one, which is a parrot. So you can see it does kind of have the base with this one, and then you get the bits to layer on. So that layers on to make the wing. Does it? No, that's meant to go on here to be the body. That's the wing, that's the beak, and there's like parts of the wing and the feet and the eyes. It's not always obvious with these ones where the bits go, and they don't give you any instructions. So I would recommend, if the store's watching, that you do start doing instructions if you're going to carry on with dies like this. But here is a little parrot. So I just was colouring this one. I'm not really very happy with how that looks there, so maybe I will try going over that, just make that look like it's a bit more blended in. It's hard to do it whilst you're on camera, but it will annoy me otherwise. So obviously you could cut them out in different colour piece of paper, or you can cut them out and colour them in and stick them together, depending on how you choose. They have got cute little faces, very cartoony in their style. So that's that one. Then this one was probably my favourite. This is like a little gnome girl. Could be a boy, I guess, drinking their cup of drink and various flowers and a random unicorn. They seem to stick random unicorn horns on a lot of things. I just ignored that because that's just a bit weird really, isn't it? But yeah, so I made one first of all with doing a bit of colouring, and I think she's quite cute. I like the way she's holding a little mug, and she has a little nose. And then I did another one paper piecing some different cards. So I was going it's going to go on a St. Patrick's Day project. That's why I was going for the green with the red hair. So I think this one is actually really cute. So that is the little gnome. Pop that one there. This one is incredibly random. Satanic Cats. Yep, for some reason it is Satanic Cats. As I said, I didn't get to choose these. They just randomly sent them to me. Obviously when I choose things that I know that I will like. So this is possibly why these aren't the ones for me. I do love cats, but I don't worship the devil. But there we go. So I've added some little gold eyes and a bit of white too. So they sort of they die cut out as whole pieces. So the cats are pretty cool. I like the little kitties, but they also come with a book of the devil. So if you want to read all about Satan, and also a satanic mat, and a skeleton, which I've also given golden eyes. I quite like the golden eyes. They give a bit of a shine like cat's eyes. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what they were thinking when they made that. But there we go. The cats are cute nonetheless. Then we have, oh, the real cats. The cats of Coastal Crafts are fighting behind me. Who knows what they're up to? I'm holding it there because there seems to have a bit of a shadow. There seems to be no shadow. So this is a random girl. Again, you get a unicorn horn. I mean, does everyone want to have a unicorn horn? She is a little bit bizarre, but I've had a go. See, she just doesn't look quite right, does she? Lovely long hair. I mean, we'd all like lovely long hair like that, I'm sure. Pretty little dress and a cute little face, but there's something about her that's just not quite right. Is it? Maybe it's because her head is out of proportion with her body. But there we go. That's random unicorn girl. Then this one's quite cool as well. I liked this one. This is a cat one. Can be cat with a Santa hat, but also I felt you could do it without a Santa hat too. I just did this one with black and white and then a little bit of colouring. He's quite cute, isn't he? So he could sit in the side of a card. So like, yeah, let's see. So he'd be like poking out of the corner, and then you'd have a little sentiment there, like bar humbug or something, because he's got that kind of grouchy face. But it's just cats, isn't it? They're not really grouchy. He's cute. I do like that one. So I would, yeah, that one and the gnome ones are definitely ones that I'm a fan of. This one is also pretty cute. I just find it, I just haven't got the patience for paper piecing, I don't think, like this. But he is quite adorable, isn't he? I really should go and do maybe some lines on the older flower there, but it's a bumblebee and he's sitting on the lovely flower. So that's cute. So I do like some bumblebee themed projects. A sweet little smiley face. So you get all these individual little pieces. I think there was a couple more flowers, but I just stuck the 2 on. That's our bumblebee. Then this is a random man meant to be holding drinks of beer. He didn't stay together very well, so I had to stick him on a backing piece of card. I don't know. He is quite bizarre looking, isn't he? There were little bits to make them like frothy beer. I don't want to turn him into a complete alcoholic, this guy, so I wasn't too sure. I quite like him with his little shirt on and stuff. I don't know, maybe you could have him holding like a banner saying happy birthday or something. But there we go, that's your alcoholic man. And then this one, I just couldn't even piece it together because it was just beyond random, and it was too random for me. It's like a bubbly person holding a round object with an Easter theme, almost like a gingerbread person, except the face doesn't look very gingerbready. Yeah, but really random. I mean, there's some really cute bits in there, like the chick, the word Easter, the little bunny heads, Easter eggs, but the other stuff to me like was just too random, so I cut it out and I was just like, I just can't do it. I can't do it. I can't understand it. It's just not for me. But these bits are so cute. That chick is absolutely adorable. That's a little ribbon. The word Easter has just popped out in individual letters, so you can't really see that, but imagine it's there. So I've got lots of different chicks, and there's leaves, and you can see some of the letters. So there's lots of cool bits in there. So I mean, for a couple of £, you could just buy it for the Easter word and the chicks and stuff, but the other bit was just, it was just too random for my liking. So I don't even know what to call that one. So yeah, it was a bit of a mixed bag. Some are adorable. Some I liked, really liked. Like, whoa, Mango's, what are you doing? Mango just fell off the chair. Is anyone else's cat really uncoordinated? Just like these two I really like. This one I like, but it's too devil inspired, and these ones, I don't know, maybe are just not for me. So a mixed bag, but if you are interested, all the links are below. Go and check out. They had some other items in their store that I like far more. Price is really cheap, and there we go. That is the shop. Honest reviews, and I have more than enough dies, so I definitely don't need any more. But you know, I like to try things out. Let me know what you think, and I shall speak to you very soon. Bye.